Today we're going to talk about classification. Classification is an orderly way that scientists keep track of all organisms on Earth. Taxonomy is the science of classification. So classifying organisms is called taxonomy. When we classify or group organisms, scientists do so based on characteristics that are similar or shared characteristics. A scientist named Linné, or Carolus Linnaeus, is considered the father of taxonomy. He was the first to start classifying organisms, but when he did so, he used only a two-kingdom system. Basically, he divided all living things into two categories, plants and animals. We know now there are a lot more categories than that. So why do we classify? Well, classifying organisms gives us a consistent way to refer to them. Think of how we use the metric system. It's much easier to communicate with individuals across the world if we use a common system. So classification is a common system for organizing and grouping organisms. Also, it helps to reduce confusion, preserves scientific accuracy. So calling organisms by a name locally, even with your language or just in your region, it is certainly confusing because we have different names for organisms based on where we live or our language. So using a consistent way, consistent language, and consistent name allows us to reduce confusion so we can all address organisms and call them the same name.